A modern factory transforms simple ingredients into thousands of strawberry cakes every day.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we explore how strawberry cakes are made, from fresh fruit to finished product.
Fresh strawberries are the foundation of every cake produced here. They are harvested at peak ripeness for maximum flavor.
Each strawberry is handled with care to preserve its delicate structure. Even minor damage can affect the final product.
The fruit is quickly transported under controlled temperatures. This prevents spoilage during transit. Temperature control is critical during transportation. It helps maintain freshness before processing begins.
Right there, keep coming straight back.
All right, I've got the pallet jack ready for the strawberries.
Defective fruit is removed at this stage. Only the best strawberries move forward.
Sorting ensures consistency in flavor and appearance. Uniformity is key in large-scale production.
Before processing, strawberries are stored under controlled conditions. This preserves their natural taste and texture.
Eggs provide structure and richness to the cake. Their quality directly affects the final texture.
Milk is transported and stored in bulk systems. It contributes to the cake's softness and moisture. Sugar adds sweetness and balance. Its measurement must be precise at every stage. Each ingredient is stored under specific conditions. This ensures stability before production begins.
The strawberries now enter the first stage of processing. Washing removes dirt, residues, and surface impurities. Controlled water pressure ensures thorough cleaning without damaging the fruit. Gentle handling preserves natural structure.
After washing, excess moisture is removed. Drying prevents dilution in later stages.
Air drying completes the cleaning process. Balanced airflow ensures even drying across all batches. Advanced sensors detect defects invisible to the human eye. Automation increases accuracy at high speed.
Uniform slicing ensures even distribution in the cake. Consistency is essential for texture and taste.
The fruit is now prepared for further processing. Its natural color and freshness remain intact.
Some strawberries are converted into puree. This will later form the cake's signature flavor layer.
The texture gradually becomes smooth and uniform. Controlled mixing prevents overheating. The puree is transferred through sealed systems. This maintains hygiene and prevents contamination.
At the same time, dry ingredients are prepared. Precise measurement ensures consistent baking results.
Egg processing is fully automated for efficiency. This step ensures uniformity at scale.
Liquid ingredients are carefully controlled and measured. Balance between components is critical.
All components now move toward the next stage in perfect coordination. This marks the transition into core manufacturing. The core manufacturing stage begins here. All prepared ingredients are combined with precision.
Each ingredient is added in exact proportions. Even small variations can affect the final product.
The mixture transforms into a uniform batter. This stage defines the cake's texture. Continuous folding ensures even distribution. No ingredient is left unevenly mixed. Once mixed, the batter is transferred immediately. Timing is critical to maintain consistency. The batter moves through a sealed system. This prevents contamination and maintains hygiene.
Portioning ensures uniform size across all cakes. Precision is maintained at high speed.
Air bubbles are eliminated to improve texture. This step ensures a consistent crumb structure. Fresh fruit is added at this stage. Even placement ensures balanced flavor in every slice.
The puree enhances flavor and moisture. It also creates a signature layered effect.
The baking process begins in controlled ovens. Temperature and timing are carefully regulated. Heat activates the ingredients. The batter expands into a structured cake.
Multiple sensors track temperature in real time. Consistency is maintained across every batch.
Each cake follows a precise baking path. Uniform exposure ensures even results. After baking, the cakes begin cooling. This stabilizes their internal structure.
The texture is now fully formed. The strawberries remain visible within the layers.
Controlled cooling prevents structural damage. Airflow is balanced for uniform results. The transformation from raw ingredients is now complete. Next comes refinement, where precision becomes even more critical.
After cooling, the cakes enter the refinement stage. Here, precision defiles the final appearance. Excess edges are removed with accuracy. This ensures uniform size across every unit. Advanced sensors detect even minor irregularities. Only consistent shapes move forward.
A base layer prepares the cake for decoration. Even application is essential for stability.
Decorative layers are applied with precision tools. Consistency enhances visual appeal.
Fruit placement is carefully controlled. This ensures balanced presentation and taste.
A protective glaze seals freshness. It also enhances the cake's appearance.
Chilling stabilizes the cream and toppings. It prepares the cakes for final handling. Temperature control is carefully balanced. This prevents moisture damage. Surface leveling ensures structural consistency. Uniformity supports packaging precision. Final decorative touches are applied. These details enhance the finished look.
Each cake is digitally verified. Only those meeting exact specifications continue.
Any deviation is corrected immediately. This maintains consistency across all products. The cakes now enter the final inspection stage. Every detail is carefully evaluated before approval. Advanced imaging systems analyze surface quality. Even the smallest imperfections are detected.
We have an anomaly on line 3. Moisture content is too high.
Acknowledged. Diverting the batch for manual inspection.
Multiple dimensions are verified for consistency. Shape and height must match exact standards. Weight control guarantees product consistency. Each cake must meet strict specifications. Temperature checks confirm proper baking and cooling. This ensures safety and quality.
Products that fail inspection are removed instantly. Only approved cakes proceed forward. Only cakes meeting all criteria are approved.
Consistency defines the final product.
Packaging begins with automated box formation. Each unit is prepared for safe handling.
Each cake is positioned with care. Protection during transport is essential.
Boxes are sealed to maintain freshness. Secure packaging prevents contamination. Each package is labeled for traceability. This ensures accountability at every stage.
The cakes are now fully prepared for delivery. The final stage will bring them to completion and distribution.
The finished cakes now move into distribution. From here, they begin their journey to the market. Automated systems prepare shipments efficiently. Each pallet is arranged for safe transport.
Protective wrapping secures the load. It prevents damage during transit.
Transportation conditions are carefully controlled. Consistency is maintained until arrival.
The cakes travel across long distances. They are distributed to stores and markets.
Presentation is carefully maintained. Visual appeal plays an important role.
Customers make their selection based on quality and appearance. The product now enters everyday life.
The purchase completes the distribution cycle. The cake is now ready to be enjoyed.
At home, the final reveal takes place. The product is presented as intended.
The structure and layers are now fully visible. Each component reflects the earlier process.
Here you go, careful now.
Wow, thank you, it's huge! Can I have the one with the big strawberry?
From fresh fruit to finished dessert, the process is complete. Every step contributes to the final result.